Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Really short video today. The assignment is pretty easy. You're continuing along with your due process cases. You're only focusing on one today, Mapp versus Ohio. This is actually the first court case, chronologically speaking, out of the ones I've given you. You do already have that reading, which I also attached to this week's or today's assignment, but it should kind of help you if you don't get it from the video. But I really recommend watching the video over necessarily reading. The reading is there if you need it, but the video is so fantastic, you're really going to want to watch that. And it isn't too terribly long. The format for what you're filling out for being due Monday is very similar to what you have been doing, so I'll walk you through. You know the deal now, right? So facts of the case, briefly what happened, the legal question as pertaining to which amendment. Remember, you had that list for Monday. Arguments for and against, and then ultimately, how did the Supreme Court rule in this case, on what grounds? So it's straightforward. I put all the links in the assignments. I put them on the teams with this post. If you have questions, reach out to me, and please make sure that you're getting in late work to me. I have a lot of students missing work, and I get it. And especially with APs this week, I hope they're going well for everybody who's taking them. You certainly have time to hand in assignments, but we only have about 4 weeks left. So just make sure that you're doing what you need to do in order to pass. That way, there's no problems with graduations if you're a senior. And honestly, if you're a junior, you don't want to be dealing with this course next year. So I'm definitely here to help. If you're having issues, reach out. If you're a little bit delayed because of AP testing, and yes, I have that list of students, I understand, and I will certainly give you the time and not mark that as late. But, I'm here. I want to help. You have to just reach out. All right. Good luck, guys. And, there will be a Zoom meeting on Friday as usual. You are more than welcome to attend. Hopefully, I'll get to see some of your faces. All right. See you guys soon. Bye.